how to get unbanned from Grindr. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you have been banned from Grindr and want to get your account back, stick around. I'll walk you through step by step exactly how to do so. First things first, you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the Grindr app. For that, open the App Store. Inside here, search for Grindr and make sure it is updated. If it's not, you'll see an update button right over here. If you see that button, tap on it and update your Grindr application. Once you do that, go ahead and try logging into your original account. If you still see the ban message, don't panic, there are more steps you can try. After that, you need to understand why you were banned. Grindr usually bans users for reasons like spamming, using fake profiles, breaking community guidelines, or getting reported multiple times. If you think it was a mistake, it's time to appeal. To appeal the ban, open any browser on your mobile device and in the search bar type support@Grindr. Tap on the link that says Help Center. Inside the Help Center, include your message. Be polite and clearly explain your situation. Include your username, the email linked to your account, and why you think the ban was unfair. Sometimes a simple appeal can do the trick. After you've done that, try changing your IP address. If the ban is tied to your IP, here's how to bypass it. First, switch to a different Wi-Fi network. You can also use mobile data. Or an easy method is to install a VPN and connect to a new location. Once you've done that, reopen Grindr and try logging in again. If that works, congrats, you're back in. And that ends the video. So that's basically how you can get unbanned from Grindr. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.